Number 8. De Boers. By day and in the early evening, this crimson structure off of Nuds serves as a rather elegant restaurant. However, I was shocked to learn that the sophisticated interiors tables were pulled out on weekend nights to create space for a boisterous dance floor. Number 7. Café Tilt. The best thing about Café Tilt is that it's the first local pub in the neighborhood to sell alcohol. I frequently found myself there, sitting outside on good days, mostly for this reason. Number 6. Florin. Florin, which is close to Janskerkhof, is a pleasant spot to have a conversation. The few times I've gone there, it wasn't particularly busy and had an air of old and coziness. On my way to class, I saw Florin practically daily and thought it was a pleasant structure, its bricks painted white to set it out from the city's other brown brick buildings. Number 5. ACU. In fact, I visited this pub for the first time when I first arrived in Utrecht, and it was a night when the rear room had live music. ACU frequently hosts a large number of live events, seminars, and other activities. Number 4. De Bastard. I had a lot of wonderful recollections from this pub because it was the one I went to the most. Though tucked away on a peaceful side street, it is close to a major thoroughfare in the city center. It's a nice spot to sit down and have a conversation, and maybe that's why it doesn't become as busy as some other pubs. Play pool with pals or complete strangers if you'd rather not converse. Number 3. Winkel van Sinkel. It is difficult to miss Winkel van Sinkel, which is housed in the imposing structure of a former department store and just next to the Utrecht. On a bright day in particular, it's a terrific area to hang around. The greatest spot to people watch by the canal while enjoying a nice beer is at one of the tables that line the front of the building. Number 2. Biercafé Olivier. This could be one of Utrecht's most charming and distinctive pubs. Why? Because it's housed in a former place of worship. You will still feel as though you are in a church if you glance up. The organ, the chandeliers, and the extraordinarily tall ceilings loom above. Number 1. Lebowski. This pub is well known among the city's foreign residents, and its interior design makes it stand out from the others. Really distinctive. Like, uniquely embellished with a variety of taxidermy. Although a bar full of lifeless plush animals may seem unsettling, it's really a rather warm space.